Hi, my myself Gayatri Vasudev Vani. Today's date 1st of September 2022 and today's topic is Java string class methods. So here in this topic we will learn about the Java string methods. In Java, string is the very important part. So what is this string? That string is the array of characters. Means suppose we want to store the multiple characters. Here we can provide the string. This java.len.string class provides a lot of built-in methods that are used to manipulate the string in Java. By the help of these methods, we can perform the various operations on string object. Suppose we want to perform the various operations like trimming, concatenating, converting, comparing, replacing the strings. Then we can use these methods which are already stored in this Java string class. This Java string is a very powerful concept because everything is treated as a string. If we submit if we submit if we submit any form of window based, web based or mobile based. Now let's understand some methods of the string class. So some of the methods of string class are string caret, string compare to, string concat, string contains, string end with, string equals ignore case, string format, get bytes, get char, index of, is empty, join, last index of, uppercase, lowercase. These are some methods used in string. Suppose if one string is given and that string is in the lowercase and we want to convert it into the uppercase, then we can use the inbuilt method instead of directly implementing the logic. So for that we can use the method upper class, and by using the uppercase method we can convert that lowercase string into the uppercase one, like all the methods work. Suppose char add. So by using char add we can determine the particular character at that particular index. Compare to, by using that we can compare two strings. In this way the methods of string work. Suppose concat is the method we are using, then that method will do the concatenation of two string. This is about the string methods in Java. That's it. Thank you.